everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about these Nylea glass spray bottles. They are an amber color. They're really sturdy and nice. I bought mine because I was making soap, so I have my rubbing alcohol in this one. I needed something that had a really fine mist that I could spray over the soaps once they're done. These are 2-ounce bottles, so they would also be perfect for travel. If you're going out of town and you want to take maybe some hair product, body oil, anything like that, they would be perfect. I would use them for misting plants possibly. Also maybe essential oils. If you like to spray essential oils around your home, I think that would be a great use for this. I've had these since I think last summer. Really held up well. They don't get clogged. Easy to clean. I just hand wash them, and yeah, they come with just their little caps. The mist is really fine, and I have really enjoyed using these, and I think they're pretty to look at. So if you're in the market for something like this, you need something that's going to be a fine mist, maybe you need something that's going to be small enough you can travel with, I would highly recommend this product, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.